Everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And as the part of exercise, I will take a random table topics generated by a Python program. Okay, the table topic is vital medicines should be free. Vital medicines should be free. So when we think about vital medicines should be free, when we take such stand, we need to go back and think about it. What can be the implications of it? Although I do believe that the vital medicines should be free, but you also need to put a full stop on that as well. I- Vital medicine should be free because if we think about in that way that companies are often like it, they are always about profits. And if you rob them the right to make a profit and it should vital medicine, then you are absolutely shutting down the research kind of things, because if it is going to be free, nobody would invest in that, right? And as a human evolution, we will not progress and we will be able to make medicine for life threatening diseases. We need to think about such a solution where it can be win-win situation for all of us. Companies should be allowed to make medicine to make profit, but vital medicines, we can do something about it, right? The government can do something about it. It should not be completely free. That's far. That's my stand. Because most often we believe that yes, it should be free, but it need not to be, right? And maybe certain percentage should be complete by should be borne by the government, and the rest, let's say the 90%, if the medicine is too costly, 90% should be given by the government, and 10% should be borne by the citizen. So it's almost free, and at the same time, the company is also making profit, right? And so nobody is hurt, right? At the end consumer side, I am getting the vital medicine almost as free, and on the other side, the companies are also allowed to make a profit. So that's how I would see it as. Uh, and we should never shut down these kind of thing, because if we believe that if they are not allowed to make a profit, then as a human generation we will not move forward. That's what I believe. Thank you. Over to you.